Hello and welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your trusted source for information on natural ways to enhance your health and longevity. Here we believe in the power of nature and its amazing potential to support our well-being. Our mission is to provide you with insights, research, and practical tips on how you can improve your health and longevity through natural remedies. As we start this journey together, let's explore the longevity diet, focusing on key foods that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Diet plays a pivotal role in determining not just how long we live, but how well we live. Today, we're exploring the power of the longevity diet. This diet is a lifestyle choice that focuses on consuming foods known to extend lifespan and improve overall health. The longevity diet is grounded in years of scientific research, indicating that what we eat can have a significant impact on our health and consequently our lifespan. The focus isn't on calorie counting or severe restrictions, but rather on the quality of food. It emphasizes a balance of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. The longevity diet isn't about restricting food, it's about choosing the right ones that promote health and longevity. It's about nourishing our bodies to not just live longer, but live better, healthier lives. Let's uncover the key foods that make up the longevity diet. The foundation of this life-extending diet includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Fruits, with their high antioxidant content, fight off free radicals, preventing cellular damage and slowing down the aging process. Vegetables, packed with vitamins and minerals, serve as the body's natural defense system, keeping diseases at bay. Whole grains, rich in fiber, keep your digestive system running smoothly, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. They also help maintain a healthy weight, a crucial factor in longevity. Lean proteins, such as fish and poultry, support muscle health and maintain energy levels, crucial for a long and active life. These food groups in combination create a balanced diet that promotes overall health and longevity. They provide the body with the necessary nutrients, keeping it functioning optimally for as long as possible. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine can help you embrace a healthier, longer life. The longevity diet is a simple, natural way to enhance your health and lifespan. Remember, the key to a longer, healthier life lies in the food choices we make every day. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Refrain from processed foods and sugars. It's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned to Natural Lifestyle Remedies for more insights on natural health and longevity.